In this video, I'm going to teach you how to crossplay Overcooked 2 between a PlayStation 4 and PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Crossplay is enabled by default on all versions of Overcooked. However, if you want to play with someone that's playing on a PC and you have a PlayStation 4 or vice versa, you need to be aware and buy the correct version of Overcooked. This is because Overcooked 2 does not support crossplay between PlayStation 4 and PC. The only way to crossplay between PlayStation 4 and PC for Overcooked is by buying the Overcooked All-You-Can-Eat Edition. So, unless you have Overcooked All-You-Can-Eat Edition, you will not be able to crossplay between PC and PS4. Only Steam and Epic on PC or console players exclusively. Sadly, there is no way to enable cross-platform between PlayStation 4 and PC on Overcooked 2. However, if you have the All-You-Can-Eat Edition, you will be able to crossplay naturally by simply opening up the Friends tab at the right side menu and adding them from there. I hope I was able to help you on how to crossplay Overcooked 2 between PlayStation 4 and PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.